point, he hopes he has enough pipe. There he goes. That's 300 feet of piping down the hole, and literally, in Kentucky, you're seeing a lot of limestone dust. You can basically take that waste product, throw it down the hole, shake the pipe, and everything will be fine. In Ohio, you pretty much have to cap that with a liquid concrete, a lightweight concrete, because of the aquifers. You're going through sand and gravel, and water's moving all through that glacial fill, and so you have to cap them a little bit differently. But the same process is really occurring. Yes, ma'am.
When you do discover, well, when